For as long as we have looked up, we have wondered. We've stared into the glittering darkness of the night sky and asked the biggest questions. Are we alone? What lies beyond the familiar lights of our celestial neighborhood? This cosmic ocean, vast and mysterious, has always beckoned to us. It whispers promises of untold wonders, but it also murmurs warnings of unimaginable dangers. We are a curious species, driven by an insatiable need to know what lies over the next horizon. But with that curiosity comes a deep, primal fear, a fear of the unknown, a fear of the dark, a fear of the immense, crushing emptiness that separates the stars. This is the duality of our existence, the urge to explore balanced against the instinct to survive. Our ancestors drew maps of the stars, telling stories of gods and monsters who lived among them. They saw patterns in the chaos and gave them names. These were our first attempts to make sense of the cosmos, to tame the infinite with our imagination. But imagination can only take you so far. To truly know what's out there, you have to go. You have to send a part of yourself, a messenger, into that great dark ocean. You have to build a ship capable of withstanding the journey, a vessel sturdy enough to sail across the void and send back word of what it finds. On August 20th, 1977, a titan of human engineering roared to life at Cape Canaveral, Florida. This was the launch of Voyager 2. It was more than just a machine. It was an extension of our senses, a proxy for all humanity. Its mission was ambitious, some would say audacious. It was designed to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a celestial syzygy that happens only once every 176 years. This alignment would allow a single spacecraft to visit all four of the outer gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It was a grand tour of the outer solar system, a journey that had never been attempted before. Voyager 2 was our scout, sent ahead to explore these strange new worlds. But Voyager 2 carried more than just scientific instruments. It carried a message, a golden record, close-up of the golden record cover. This phonograph record, encased in a protective aluminum jacket, was a time capsule from Earth. This was our introduction to the cosmos. More importantly, it includes a pulsar map, a celestial guidepost pointing back to our sun. It's a return address, a way to find us. 2 years after its launch, Voyager 2 arrived at its first destination, the king of the planets, Jupiter. From Earth, Jupiter is a bright, steady light in the night sky. Through a telescope, it's a striped ball with a famous great red spot. But up close it was a monster. Voyager 2 revealed a world of unimaginable violence and scale. The great red spot was not just a spot. It was a swirling, anticyclonic storm larger than our entire planet, a hurricane that has been raging for centuries. The colorful bands that wrap around the planet were revealed to be turbulent jet streams, with winds screaming at hundreds of miles per hour. Jupiter was not a serene giant. It was a chaotic, churning behemoth. The discoveries didn't stop with the planet itself. Voyager 2 gave us our first detailed look at Jupiter's moons, and what it found was shocking. The moon Io was not a dead, cratered rock. It was the most volcanically active body in the entire solar system. Then there was Europa. Its surface was a smooth, fractured sheet of ice. Beneath that icy shell, the data suggested the unthinkable: a vast global ocean of liquid water. Water. The key ingredient for life as we know it, the ringed jewel of our solar system, Saturn. In 1981, Voyager 2 sailed past Saturn. Saturn, a world long admired for its breathtaking rings. The spacecraft confirmed the rings were not solid bands composed of countless individual particles, ice rock ranging in size from dust grains to mountains. But the real suspense lay with Titan. Shrouded in a thick orange haze, its surface was a complete mystery. Voyager's instruments pierced the veil, revealing a nitrogen-rich atmosphere denser than Earth's. The chemistry was fascinating and unnerving, an atmosphere thick with organic molecules, the building blocks of life, but far too cold for liquid water. Instead, liquid methane. Next stop, 1986, Uranus, the oddball of the solar system. It spins on its side images of a nearly featureless pale blue-green ball. Voyager 2 reached Neptune, the last giant, a vibrant deep blue world racked by the fastest winds, 1,200 miles per hour. With the flyby of Neptune complete, Voyager 2's planetary mission was over. But its journey was far from finished. It was now heading into the great unknown, the vast expanse beyond the planets. Its new destination was interstellar space, the void between the stars. No human-made object had ever ventured this far. This was really the true beginning of its journey into the cosmic ocean. The spacecraft was leaving the relatively safe harbor of our solar system and sailing into open sea. The sun, which had been a blazing furnace at Mercury, was now just the brightest star in the sky. The region Voyager 2 now had to cross is called the Heliosphere. This is a giant magnetic bubble blown by the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the sun. This bubble protects the solar system, shielding us from the harsh radiation of interstellar space. It's our cosmic shield. On November 5, 2018, it happened. The message came from 11 billion miles away, a whisper across the void. Voyager 2 had crossed the heliopause. It had officially entered interstellar space. The data was unmistakable. Plasma instrument, a sharp drop in solar wind particles. Cosmic ray subsystem, a dramatic sustained spike in galactic cosmic rays. High-energy particles, forged in distant supernovas. For billions of years, our sun's magnetic bubble protected the solar system. Now Voyager 2 was outside that shield, naked in the interstellar storm. The first shocking discovery, what wasn't there? The predicted firewall of superheated plasma was absent. The transition was smoother, yet more complex than expected. The magnetic field grew stronger and aligned with the galactic field. Voyager 2 was fully immersed in the interstellar medium, feeling the magnetic breath of the Milky Way. The intensity of the cosmic radiation was terrifying. Galactic cosmic rays, particles near light speed. As Voyager 2 continues its journey through interstellar space, it sends back a steady stream of data about this new, unexplored territory. And one of the most profound, most chilling discoveries is the silence. The golden record it carries is a message of hope, a greeting to any extraterrestrial intelligence it might encounter. But as the spacecraft travels farther and farther from home, the overwhelming evidence it sends back is of a vast, profound emptiness. There are no signals from alien civilizations. There are no signs of artificial structures. There is only the hiss of the interstellar medium and the crackle of cosmic rays. The great silence is deafening. This confirms the unsettling conclusion of the Fermi paradox. If the galaxy is teeming with intelligent life, where is everybody? Voyager 2 is now our ear to the cosmos, listening in a new part of the radio spectrum, in a new environment, far from the noise of our own sun, and it hears nothing. This deepens the mystery and magnifies our sense of cosmic loneliness. Today, on September 5, 2025, Voyager 2 is more than 13.3 billion miles from Earth. Its faint signal, carrying the secrets of interstellar space, takes over 20 hours to reach us, traveling at the speed of light. The spacecraft is old. Its instruments are failing one by one. Its nuclear power source is slowly decaying. In a few more years, it will no longer have enough energy to power its scientific instruments or its transmitter. It will fall silent forever. Our little ship, our messenger, will go dark. Yet its journey will continue, a silent ghost ship coasting through the Milky Way for millions of years. What has this journey taught us? It has taught us that the universe is more wonderful, more complex, and more dangerous than we ever knew. It is a story of human ingenuity, curiosity, and courage. Its journey forces us to look back at our own world, that pale blue dot, with a renewed sense of wonder and responsibility. In a universe that appears so empty and hostile, our world, teeming with life, is an almost unbelievable miracle. A lonely ship on an infinite ocean, a testament to the one time a species on a small blue planet dared to reach for the stars.